So I'm recording now. All right, so in order to access the spell check for our document, because it's important for us to at least check our spelling to see if there's anything that we need to change. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the reference link or the reference tab up here in our Word document. Okay. We're going to go ahead and type or click references. Actually, it's not reference, I think it's review. Yep, it's review. Okay.
Okay.
And once we click the review tab, there's going to be some proofing that we can apply right over here. Okay, we can do a word count, we can do it this thesaurus, but what
Okay.
we really want to do is you want to select the spelling and grammar options. Okay.
Which is right there.
Yep. So if I just click on the ABC check,
Okay.
okay. Well, right here, from what I can see on the right side, it gives me the words that I have typed in on my document. Okay. And it also tells me that my spelling is correct as well as my grammar. The reason why is because I don't see any red squiggly lines on here, which indicates that I don't have any misspelled words.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So this is just a way to check our grammar, our spelling, and so forth. But what I do see right here is under refinements, it is indicating that I have 3 punctuations to correct right over here.
Okay. I've got this meeting is being recorded.
Yep, this is being recorded. So from there,
I say got it?
no, you're okay. This entire video is all for you. So
Okay.
you can talk, you can ask, you can whatever. So this is all for you. So what I do see is those punctuation conventions do reference these particular blue dotted lines that I am seeing right here. So it's giving me recommendations on how to correct those. And that is why I don't have a check mark right
Okay.
here as I do with my other grammar corrections. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So I don't know if it's identical on your screen as it is on mine's, but I can easily correct those simply by just going over it. All right. So as you can
Okay.
see, once I corrected those, now that 3 that we previously saw over here is now a check mark.
Okay, I'm lost.
Okay, which part?
I can't see your document.
Uh, are
I'm
you
a CIS 110 project 1.
okay? So you have to make sure that you click on the Word document.
Okay. Okay.
Let me know when you're there.
I'm so confused.
Okay. So I think on the bottom of your screen, you have to click your word icon.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. And once you did that, what appeared?
A blank document?
Okay. So you can still type this up though, right?
Yeah,
Okay. So let me know where I lost you at. So again, the last thing that we did was that there were some punctuation errors that I corrected from my spelling and grammar up
right,
here. Okay.
right.
And we corrected those.
Okay,
And how I corrected those was specifically those lines that did appear. Let's see if I can go back. So like right here. And this is what was generated based upon my spelling and check. So right here, there's an error, which is indicated by my one punctuation conventions. And typically, whenever I want to correct something, all I have to do is just click it, right, left click. The recommendation to correct it will appear right here. I just click that and now it's corrected. And so that's pretty much the process for any type of error that may appear. Like for example, if I see, uh, okay. So you see this misspelled word right here,
yes,
okay? And if I go back up over here, you see there's a 1 on my corrections for spelling. You see that?
no.
Okay, on the
I'm still
screen.
on, I'm still on the blank document.
Okay, do you see my screen?
No,
Oh, I see. Okay. So you need to go back to Zoom, the Zoom icon on the bottom of your screen.
right here?
Yeah,
Okay,
do you see my screen now?
yes,
Okay. So do you see the spelling over here?
yes,
Okay, excellent. Okay, so as you can see, there's a misspelled word right here. Do you see that misspelled word that I have?
yes,
Okay. So in order to correct this misspelled word, all I have to do is move my cursor right over it. Okay. And then from there, all I'm going to do is left click. And once I click it, there's going to be some recommendations on how I can correct this.
right.
And of course, I want to use the word you. So I just click on you and now it's corrected.
Okay,
Okay.
uh-huh,
And then from there, as you can see, once I have corrected that, my spelling is now a check instead of a 1 because it's indicating or at least notifying me that I don't have any misspelled words in my document.
okay,
All right. So now I'm going to go back to the directions to make sure that I've completed everything that was asked. So,
we've got a number 7,
okay, yep. So number 7 says save your file by choosing File Save, then exit Word by clicking on the X in the top right corner of your screen. Okay.
okay,
So what I want to do from here is I want to save this. I'm going to go to File. I'm going to click Save As.
oh, I see, okay,
Okay. And I'm going to go to browse. This is pretty much what we did earlier, but so I'm going to save this as Word 1. And I'm going to go ahead and save this as the desktop as I showed you earlier.
Okay,
Click Save.
yeah,
And that is it for Project 1.
okay. I think I can do that.
Excellent. Okay.
Uh-huh,
All right. So, yeah, and if you still need any help or a start of or whatever you may need, you're always welcome to schedule me. I usually have my office hours from 10 to 11 and my student success hours 11 to 12 Monday through Wednesday.
11 to 12.
Yep. So pretty much the same time, just Monday through Wednesday.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yep. And let me is there a specific email address, or what I can do is I can email um the student services coordinator and they can send you the video.
Okay,
Would that work for you?
yes,
All right, excellent. So let me make sure real quick. Okay, so what I would do is I'll just respond to this email and hopefully you should have this video. Sounds good?
yeah,
All right, excellent. So yeah,
and
like I said, anytime you want to schedule anything Monday through Wednesday, I'll be available.
okay, I don't have the video.
I'm gonna send it to you.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, I'm gonna send it to you via email.
okay,
All right. Any other questions or any concerns before we
yes,
dismiss or
yeah, that's good.
okay, excellent. Well, yeah, if you have any further questions or concerns, feel free to schedule an appointment with me and we'll just go from there.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem. Take care.
You too.
Bye bye.